So hello friends, today we are going to print sum of elements of an array. Means what we want to print, just we want to print the whole sum of the array. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals to 15. So we are going to print 15. Okay, how we can print this? Just wait and watch. So first of all, we traverse this array using for loop. First of all, for int I equals to 0. Initially we are starting with 0 because array is a 0 based indexing. After that, I less than how much? Array dot length. It will go till array dot length. After that, every time it will increase by 1. Okay, after that what we do, we make this loop. In this we are going to do that if sum equals to sum plus arr of I. Okay, why would we do this? Because we want the sum, whole total sum. So what we done in this, that is sum, the initial value of sum is 0, and we are adding in this the array of 0th element. First time the array of 0th element is 1, so 0 plus 1 should become 1. After that it will increase by 1 and its value become 1. So is 1 is less than array dot length? It is right. Then in this the initial sum value is 1 and the array of I is 1. What is the value in first index? Is 2. So 1 plus 2, then the sum become 3. Okay, it will become 3. Now the new value of sum is 3. After that it will increase by 1 and it become 2. Okay, when it become 2, the is 2 is less than array dot length, it is true. So the initial value of sum is 3 plus 2, then it will become 3 plus 2, it will become 5. Okay, after that the index will become 3. Okay, index will become 3. Now the initial value of sum, it will check in this 3 is less than array dot length. Yes, it is true. So in this the initial value of sum is 5 and the array of I is 4. Okay, then the sum become 5 plus 4, it is 9. Okay, 9. After that, so 6 plus 4 become 10. Okay, so now my initial value of sum becomes 10. Okay, after that it will again go in this and it will check is the index value will increase by 1 and the index become 4. Okay, is 4 is less than array dot length? Yes, true. Then it will came in this, the initial value of sum is 10. In this we are going to add 5 because the index at the index value 4, the value we have a 5 value. So 10 plus 5, it will become 15. Okay, after that it will again increase by 1. Okay, now it will become 6. Is 6 is less than array dot length? No, because array dot length becomes 5. Yeah, array dot length is 5 and 6 is greater. 5, sorry, array of length is 5 is less than array dot length? No, because it is equals to array dot length. Okay, so this loop will become false and it will go outside the loop. Okay, now we print system dot out dot println sum. Okay, now this is the output of our program, and the some value become 15, so it is the total value of the adding all the elements of that array. So this is the method how we print the sum of element of an array. I hope you like this video. If you like that video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Thank you.